Mastering modals. If statements with could, would, and might. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of conversational English. We're focusing on indirect offers using if statements, specifically those using modal verbs could, would, and might. These modal verbs are essential for being polite, respectful, and tactful in English conversation. In English, we often use if in our sentences to make offers and suggestions less direct. This makes our requests or offers more polite and less demanding. These are termed as indirect offers. For instance, instead of saying, "Give me the pen," a more polite, indirect approach would be to say, "If you could give me the pen, I would appreciate it." Could is often used to make polite requests. In this context, it softens the tone of the sentence, making it less direct. Example: "If you could lend me the book, I'd be very grateful." Similarly, we use would to create polite suggestions or offers. It is generally used to speak about something hypothetical or not yet certain. Example: "If you would like some coffee, I can make it for you." Might is often used to express possibility or to make tentative suggestions. It has a softer tone than could or would. Example: "If you might be interested, there's a book fair in town." To really master these if statements, it's important to practice. Try to create your own sentences using if, with, could, would, and might. Remember, the goal here is to make polite, indirect offers or requests. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on indirect offers using if with modal verbs. I hope this video has made it clear how if combined with could, would, and might can make your English communication more polite and respectful. Remember, practice is key. Keep using these structures in your daily conversation and you'll become fluent in no time.